You're not saying about you being weak?
Yeah, all kinds of stuff happening.
Let's trace the hits and check the file. Let's see who bit the dissect the style. I flip the script so they can't get filed. At least not now, it'll take a while. I change the pace to complete the beat. I drop the bass to MCs get weak. For every word they trace, it's a scar they keep. Cause when I speak, they freak to sweat the technique. I made my debut in '86 with a melody in a president's mix, and I would stay on target and refuse to miss. And I still make hits, beats, parties, clubs, and cars and jeeps. Underground sound vibrates the streets. MCs wanna be in the booth keys when they sweat the technique. Don't sweat the technique. Know how many bombs have I ripped and wrecked, but researchers never found all the pieces yet. Scientists try to solve the context, philosophers are wondering what's